Hey, Jim Starwalt, I'm here today at Little Chef in downtown McHenry. This is absolutely my favorite place for breakfast.
That lady sitting right there is the original owner.
How long have you owned this
I'm
place?
the big chef. How's that?
She's the big shop.
I think it's 65 years.
She's the owner, and then when she retired, Terry,
My
our boss,
daughter.
took it over for what, about 15 years now?
Yeah, I'd
Yeah.
say so.
I come here, I get the sausage and biscuits, biscuits and gravy. And what I like to do is get my eggs in an omelet, and then on top of the potatoes, I like putting that sausage gravy on top.
And this Jose,
Hello.
he runs our kitchen.
21 years ago.
I'm telling you, this place has been here. It's another one of those hidden gems. I really don't want you to find it because it's already crowded, but I'll tell you what, you'll always have room because now they've expanded next door, so you can go next door, get a Bloody Mary, and eat your breakfast, do a little gaming if you want, but I'm telling you what, you want some good food, this is the place to come.
We are Monday through Saturday, 7 to 2, and on Sunday from 7 to 1.
If I see you here and you see me and you mention this video, I'll buy your breakfast. Hey, I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team of Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. We'll see you here.